Welcome, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, in this video, I'm going to talk about MB-800 exam, which is Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central Functional Consultant. Um, if you have worked on Microsoft Dynamics Nav or Business Central, you know that in the past there used to be uh, separate exams for development technical and separate for different modules, but in Business Central lately Microsoft has introduced this exam. This is the only exam related to Business Central, which is called MB-800, and it is more focused on the functional or setups related, not on the development or technical aspects. So it's called Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central Functional Consultant, and it's a associate level of exam. Let me start before getting into more details about this. Let me start with my introduction. I'm Dhanraj Bansal, based out in India. Um, I'm active on the communities and blogs, and due to that, I got a recognition from Microsoft, which is called Microsoft Most Valuable Professional MVP Award in 2010, which got renewed in 2011 and 12. I'm Microsoft certified trainer as well, and I've done PMP, Project Management Professional, and Agile Certified Practitioner, PMI ACP. I'm certified Scrum Master also. My email ID is provided in the PPT presentation. So, so you may like if you have any queries related to Business Central or about MB-800 exam, please feel free to drop me an email, and I'll try to revert to that ASAP. So about this exam, let's go to this link which I'll provide in the description of this video also, and it is given over here also, http docs.microsoft.com, this one. So here's the official information from Microsoft on this exam. Basically, who all will be interested if you have query. The end users who are working on Dynamics Nav or Business Central, the people consultant working with Microsoft Business Central implementation companies, uh, or the salesperson involved in Business Central implementation. Uh, and Skills measured in this exam are broadly classified as setup Business Central, configure financial will have weightage of 25 to 30%, setup Business Central is 20 to 25%, configure sales and purchase 10 to 15%, perform Business Central operation 30 to 35%. And this exam can be conducted, I think these days due to Corona scenario, COVID scenario, this exam can be scheduled online and can be done from home. If you have to schedule the exam, here is the link for scheduling exam. About the exam fee for United States, it's $165, whereas in my home country, India, uh, let's check for India. So it's 4,800 Indian rupees. Uh, Course content details. Here we can get the course content details of the exam, skills measured or course content details, and the audience profile. And it is mainly a scenario based exam. It is There will be a lot of questions based upon scenarios. You will be given a scenario, and there will be questions thereafter. uh, it involves create and configure a new company, managing security setup, set up core app functionality, set up dimensions, a core concept of Business Central, set up and manage approvals, workflows. Then next is configure financial, which will have 25 to 30% weightage. Set up finance module, configure the chart of accounts, set up posting groups, set up journals and bank accounts, set up accounts payable, set up accounts receivable, and all. So this is on the content on the topics or skills being measured in this exam. This is not a complex exam. This is a pretty simple exam, but this requires some practice and a hands-on session. So, uh, about the learning path, how to learn this. There are broadly two ways to prepare, although person to person it can vary, but broadly there are two ways to prepare for this exam. One is online path, which is free, and I recommend this path. So, uh, for example, these are the learning paths. Here, Microsoft has given exam queries, questions, and where you can answer those. You can practice. So let's get into one of these. Get started with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Start. So uh, uh, you can do your if you don't have access to Business Central database or environment, you can do a free trial also. So let's go to a here I've logged in by my credentials, but let me log out from here and see how to do free subscription. Give me a second, please. In the meantime, before this page opens, let me tell you that I'm going to start a series of videos in which I'll cover all the topics related to MB-800 exam. So one way is you prepare online through this one. Otherwise, you can watch out my videos and do the preparation that way also. So coming to free trial. So here's the link. If you go to dynamics.microsoft.com and from there sign up for a free trial, try the application free for 30 days. So sign up now. It will require your work or school email ID. It will not allow the public or whatever you call it Gmail kind of email IDs. So if you have an official email ID, you can enter those and start free subscription. I have already done that, so here is how it looks like. Here it provides us a Cronus sample company with some sample data, and one can do the trials and all. For example, here is a list of customers. One of the core topic of this is uh, company creation and doing various setups. Back to PowerPoint presentation. So this is a functional exam for Microsoft. Price for India it is 4,800 rupees, whereas for US 165 US dollar. These are the skills measured. Set up Business Central 20 to 25%. Configure financial weightage having 25 to 30%. Configure sales and purchase. Perform Business Central operations. You can do your free trial subscription of Business Central using work or school email address on the link. In the exam, there will be a lot of scenario-based questions. So uh, you need to try, you need to do hands-off session, and you should be aware of minimum passing score is 700 out of 1000. There are official learning paths. If you want to do it for free, you can go through the official learning paths, and those are pretty good, and those have questions as well at the end of each learning path. The second option is training by trainer. Uh, MOC Microsoft official curriculum. This is of 32 hours duration, 32-hour training, which includes hands-on session labs. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to start a video series which will cover all the topics of MB-800. So you may watch out for more videos. Uh, I wish you all the best of luck for your preparation, and my email ID is provided over here. Please feel free to contact if you have any questions. uh, Good luck once again. Stay tuned. Thank you. Thanks for your time.